In this Zlappo review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this app. Zlappo is an app that lets you schedule Twitter threads like a champ, with a powerful tweet composer. So once you've logged into Zlappo and you've connected your Twitter account, you are met by the dashboard. Here we can see a queue which gives us today's date, and it goes through the days like a calendar. As we can see, it has an array of times which we can schedule our tweets to. We have 11:20 AM, 2 minutes past 1 PM, 4:43 PM, 7:19 PM, 9:16 PM, and 10:15 PM. And these will be sort of prime Twitter times. So for example, if we click onto 4:43 PM, we can obviously just compose our tweet. We do have quite a few options in the text box. We have the option to retweet or quote a tweet, reply to a tweet, cross-thread this tweet thread to LinkedIn, retweet this post after a certain amount of time, send auto DM to people who reply to this post, generate a random famous quote, add an emoji, add a GIF, or add an image. Once you are happy with the tweet, you can just click on Post Today, 4:43 PM, or you can also click on the arrow button. You have the option to post now, post a certain amount of minutes or hours from now, set a custom schedule, choose a time slot, or save as a draft. And then there is also the option to add to the top of the queue. We don't have to just do this today, we can obviously set one for tomorrow, or the 15th, or the 16th, and so on. Next to queue, there's also the posted button. This is where any of our posted tweets will show and come up. We can also set this by date, so we could see the posted tweets for, say, August or November, and so on and so forth. Next to posted, we have drafts. Any of our saved drafts will show up here. If we look to the sidebar on the left, we've obviously covered queue, posted, and drafts. There is also the engage section. So on the engage section, this will show us tweets from any groups we're in or people we follow, and we do have the option to reply and interact with those tweets. We have the option to retweet or like the tweet, and also send a reply. This makes it really easy to interact with people who we're following. Below engage is mentions. So this will of course bring up any of our mentions on Twitter. As we can see, they're all displayed here, and we have the option to like them or tweet a reply. We can obviously just type into the box. We can obviously click reply now, or if we click on the arrow, we do have the option for schedule reply or schedule quoted tweet. Below mentions, we have the profile section. So on the profile section, we have the option to reschedule our best posts. What we can do is we can add our tweets to the Evergreen list. So whenever we have an open time slot, they'll randomly retweet a post from our Evergreen list. To add to the Evergreen list, if you just scroll down where it says schedule, we have the option to obviously comment, retweet, or click the little tree, which is the Evergreen list. As well as this, we can actually filter our tweets. So we have the option to filter it by all tweets, retweets only, quoted tweets only, replies only, exclude retweets and replies, tweets with media only, tweets with links only, and tweets without links only. We also have the option to sort it by chronological, retweets, and favourites. Below profile, we have our Evergreen list. If we click on that, we can see that the post that we added to our Evergreen list is added to this section, and it will be auto-retweeted. If you didn't want it to auto-retweet, you do have the option to just turn that section off as well. We do also have a lights out option on the sidebar, so if we click on that, we can see that we've now entered dark mode. And that's just about everything. So what did I think of Zlappo? It was a really simple interface that was really easy to navigate around. I really like the Evergreen feature they have, where you can auto-retweet one of your greatest hits. They also made it super easy to schedule a tweet and engage with your followers. Overall, I think it's a fantastic app, and I would definitely recommend. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.